Hello everyone, this is Peter with GoodieReader.com, and today we have an unboxing of the Xiaomi, excuse my pronunciation, Mi Band 2. And this is a review sample sent to us, so it will be wrapped in plastic when you buy it at the store. This one is already opened. Just wanted to get that out in the open. So this is all the information. If you don't read Chinese characters, you have a little bit of trouble reading that. I myself can read Japanese, so I can maybe read 1% of this. Small hand band thing. So yeah, let's crack this open and see what's it looking like. Xiaomi has always used very high quality boxes, and you might think, oh, that's, you know, besides the point. Well, we should look at the product, but honestly, that does tell a lot about the product, that they're not using really flimsy material. The quality of the box is very sturdy, very strong. It's lined in foam. It's printed very well. It's like a glossy finish. High quality box. It really is. This device. I'll just show you the user manual here. Once again, it is in Chinese. If you guys lose your user manual, you can, you know, stop this video at any point in time. This device goes for about $140 Canadian in store, but if you do get it from China, if you live in China or you know anyone from China, it equals, after the renminbi to Canadian conversion, it's about 30 bucks. So it's really cheap in China. So originally the little the receptor, the brains of it all, so if you will be right there, but for the review purposes they have had it installed in the band. It's incredibly easy to pull out. You just pop it out like that. This is the band itself. It is silicone with a little metallic clasp, and it has a silicone ring. So the entire thing is pretty much silicone head to toe, except for the little clasp. You just push it in one of the holes and it sizes. You also get in the box a USB charger, and this is a proprietary charger. You cannot charge this just on anything unless you're a super high-end wire, you know, you're in the computer design and you do circuit boards and stuff like that, positive and negative. I believe it is interchangeable. No, it's not. No, it's only one way. Yeah, so you'll see there's 2 pins in there, 2 pins on here. You would just slide that in like so, plug it into a USB, and charge away. This doesn't have any power right now. Not that we can really show you much right now because this is an unboxing video. You do see on the bottom, this is where you have the little light sensors and all the sensors underneath the glass piece here. You see it's very shiny, and that, when it does sit in the band's cradle and it is up against your skin, up against all your veins, it'll register, you know, your steps because of the components inside, and it will register the your heart rate and all that other stuff. So that's basically the entire unboxing of this device. It's very simplistic. It just has a couple little pieces in there, and stay tuned for a full review on this, the Xiaomi Mi Band 2. For GoodieReader.com, this is Peter.